Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exhilarating world of DJI's latest innovations, the DJI Goggles N3 and the Neo drone. With an unexpected launch that has enthusiasts buzzing, these cutting-edge devices promise to revolutionize the first-person view, FPV, experience for drone pilots and aerial videographers alike. Join us as we unpack the features, specifications, and performance of this groundbreaking setup that is already making waves in the drone community. The DJI Goggles N3 and Neo drone made their debut on October 30th, 2024, captivating the attention of drone enthusiasts worldwide. While the initial release occurred in select regions, including North America, the eagerly anticipated European launch is scheduled for November 6, 2024. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Goggles N3 is the integrated head tracking capability. This innovative technology allows pilots to control the drone's movements by simply turning their heads, adding a new layer of immersion to the flying experience. Imagine executing 360-degree flips and 180-degree drifts with just a glance. This feature transforms how pilots interact with their drones, making every flight feel like a cinematic adventure. The head tracking functionality is particularly beneficial for beginners who might find traditional controls overwhelming. The visual performance of the DJI Goggles N3 is nothing short of impressive. With a stunning 1080p resolution at 60 Hz on a vibrant LCD screen and a generous 54-degree field of view, users can expect clear and smooth imagery that enhances their flying experience. To complement its impressive recording capabilities, the Neo drone incorporates advanced stabilization technology that counters the vibrations and movements typically encountered during flight. This feature is crucial for ensuring that even in challenging flying conditions, the resulting footage remains steady and visually stunning. For real estate agents, the ability to create breathtaking aerial footage can significantly enhance property listings, providing potential buyers with a unique perspective. Similarly, filmmakers can use the Neo drone to achieve cinematic shots that elevate their projects, making it a formidable tool in the realm of aerial videography. DJI aims to make flying more accessible without sacrificing excitement. The new features and design improvements in the DJI Goggles N3 and Neo drone are geared towards providing an enjoyable experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots. By simplifying the flying process and enhancing the visual experience, DJI encourages users of all skill levels to explore the skies and unleash their creativity. The 4K resolution offered by the Neo drone delivers 4 times the detail of standard 1080p, resulting in crisp, vivid imagery. This quality is particularly beneficial for post-production work, as it provides ample resolution for cropping and stabilization without sacrificing detail. The Neo drone stands out in the competitive drone market primarily due to its exceptional recording capabilities. Capable of capturing video in 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, the Neo drone is designed to meet the needs of professional filmmakers and avid hobbyists alike. This frame rate is vital for maintaining smooth motion in dynamic scenes. Whether you're racing against the clock or following fast-moving subjects, the DJI Goggles N3 offer a thoughtful and ergonomic design that ensures comfort during long flight sessions. One of the standout features is the spacious interior, allowing users to wear glasses comfortably without the need for lens inserts. This accessibility opens the door for more users to enjoy the immersive experience of FPV flying. Looking ahead, DJI has promised to continue innovating and improving their products based on user feedback. They are committed to providing regular updates and enhancements to ensure that the DJI Goggles N3 and Neo drone remain at the forefront of FPV technology. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for ongoing news and updates on the latest DJI innovations.